Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you how to control your car via BYD Assistant. In the beginning, let's go to BYD Assistant app. Now, let's go to voice assistant settings. Let's stop here for a second. Firstly, we can set up custom wake word for our BYD Assistant. Next, we can set up zones and wake up free commands. Thanks to this function, you can use commands without saying wake word. Let's test it. Turn on AC.
The AC is already on.
Let's go back. Here we can enable continuous dialogue, change voice volume and voice language. And now let's go to the best part. In voice skills we can find full list of voice commands. For map, vehicle control, Bluetooth phone, media player and system operations. But the most interesting thing is vehicle control. Thanks to these commands you can control your car. For example, you can open sunshade, close it and more. Make sure to learn those commands to use your car efficiently. Let's use it. Hi BYD.
Yes?
Turn on seat ventilation.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean.
Turn on seat ventilation.
Okay, turning on seat ventilation.
And it works. We can also close windows, for example. Hey BYD.
I'm here.
Close windows.
All right.
And the windows is closing. And that's basically it.